Hey besties, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make the most amazing corn dog recipe you've ever tried out. Trust me, your kids will love this. So guys, to start off, we're going to be needing some sausages, and these are just chicken sausages. You can use whatever you want. I'm just cutting this in half so that they are a bit like bite size, and then I would rinse and bleach this. I added in some vinegar to my boiling water and then tossed in my sausages into them. I will not be boiling this, I just simmered for a minute and then transferred to an ice cold water to stop the cooking process. So now I'm just going to dry this off with some kitchen towel or napkin, and then I'm going to set this aside to make sure that there are no moistures left. So I have the skewer soaking for 10 minutes now, and I'm just going to skewer my sausages now. This is because frying them go by so quickly, and you do not want a situation where you have to insert, dip and fry. So you want to insert all your skewers now so that all you have to do is dip and fry. And as you can see, I broke off the edges of the skewers because they were too long, and I just inserted them all the way till my fingers could feel them at the other end, and that is it. So guys, for the batter, you want to mix all your dry ingredients together. This is so convenient because you can pack this up in an airtight container and store this for a month and just use it whenever you feel like eating corn dogs. You just scoop out a little and use. That's literally what I do. So guys, I'm going to split this in half because as you can see, I am not making so much corn dogs, and I'm just going to add 1 egg and a few drops of water to the half I would be using, and then I'm going to mix this gently. This is just so that I can control the consistency and texture of the batter. So guys, this is the consistency I will be going for, and this is because I'll be making the crunchy corn dogs and I just generally love thick batter. This recipe can go as thin or as thick as you would want, but this is the consistency I love. So guys, I'm transferring this into a glass cup. You want something taller than the corn dogs you plan to dip, just so that it's easier and stressless for you. Now guys, remember this is called deep frying. You need all those oil. Yes, you do. So guys, for the most fun part of this whole process, which is the dipping for me, you just want to take your sausages and dip into the glass cup. Do you see how easy this is? This is the reason you need a glass cup for this, or a tall slim cup for this, so that it doesn't waste your batter too. So guys, you want to fry this on medium heat, just so that it does not burn faster than it gets done, and you have enough time to keep putting without having to turn them, because they done pretty fast and you just want to keep an eye out for that. They will get brown very fast, guys. So guys, for the crunchy ones, I just have crushed cornflakes here. You could also use breadcrumbs, but trust me when I tell you, crushed cornflakes would give you a very beautiful result. And I'm just going to roll this over the cornflakes now. You see the benefit of having a thick batter. It's not messy and it's very stressless. So guys, just like the first one, we're going to be frying this on low heat, just so that everything gets done and nice. That's it for this recipe, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section what you like to pair your corn dog with, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.